Hi guys, this is Miss Lisa from the Harney County Library, and I'm here with Visalia.
Hello.
And we're going to show you how to play the games inside the New Year's Eve party in a bag. So this is the first game. So Beryl, the object of this game is to, if you look really close, you can see that there's a black rim around this top one. And the object of the game is to go like this, over and over and over, and get your black band back to the top. So, but you're racing. So let's start from the beginning. Put your black band at the top. Cheater, cheater, pumpkin eater. Beryl, you say when. Ready, set,
go.
Okay. So the next one is so you get some nuts, and I don't mean the kind you eat, these kind. You give your friend 5 and you take 5. And you guys get candy canes. You both get 2 candy canes. And the object of this game is to take these nuts with the candy canes and stack them on top of each other.
Oh,
I'm gonna need my glasses for this one here. So we're just gonna do this for like a minute. Just so you know, this is harder than it looks. Whatever, I guess it's not. Good job. The object of this game is to take this little party blower and shoot your cups off the table. Beryl, say when.
Go.
Oh,
we have a winner.
Yay! Visalia wins again. Okay, so for this one, you have to draw a Christmas scene on your head. So you put your paper plate on your head. First thing you have to draw is a Christmas tree. Draw a Christmas tree.
Are we going?
Yeah, we're drawing a Christmas tree.
Okay.
Then, next to your Christmas tree, you have to draw a fireplace. And then, around your Christmas tree, your fireplace, you have to make your house. Oh. Okay. Okay. So the first one was draw a Christmas tree. That's very good. I mean, look at mine.
Look at this.
If your tree looks like a real Christmas tree.
Okay.
If your tree looks anything like a Christmas tree, you get 1 point.
Can you tell what that is?
Yes, you get it gets better.
Okay.
If it looks good and you can tell that it's a tree, 2 points. If it looks really good and you have decorations on it, 3 points. Visalia gets 3 points and Miss Lisa gets 0. Then it says, draw a fireplace. If your fireplace is next to your tree and it looks like a fireplace, 3 points. If your fireplace looks a little like a fireplace, but it's still next to your tree, 2 points. If your fireplace does not look like a fireplace, but it is still next to your tree, 1 point. Okay, I get 1 point. If your fireplace is on top of your tree and you've set it on fire, sorry, no points. Visalia, good job, 3 points.
3 points?
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, now it says draw a house around your tree and your fireplace. If your house is outside of your tree and fireplace and it looks like a house, 3 points.
Oh, you get 3 points.
I don't know.
You get 3. Look, mine's not even.
If your house is around your tree and fireplace, but it doesn't really look like a house, 2 points. If your house is on your tree, but not on your fireplace, you get 1 point. If you put your house on top of the fireplace and the tree, sorry, no points. You burnt your house down. Okay, so my fireplace is kind of by my tree, so I think I may have set my tree on fire, so I don't get any points for that. But my house is very cool, so I think I get 3 for that. What do you think, Visalia?
I think that's fair.
You did way good, though.
Okay.
So Visalia wins this. She's obviously much better at drawing on her head than Miss Lisa. Okay, good job. Fun, huh? That one's funny. This one, you you have a little blob of Vaseline on a plate. It needs to be a heavy plate because the idea is you're gonna stick your nose in this Vaseline and then you're gonna pick up this cotton ball with your nose and you're gonna put it in that cup. You're gonna do it 5 times. Ready?
Go. Ew.
Right. How do you get
Oh,
over there? You're getting big blob into a ball. How do you get over there? Stick them to your nose. I win!
How did you do that?
I didn't practice.